In order to edit a slow motion video on the Motorola Moto G56, first of all, we need to open the Photos app. So we're gonna go to the app drawer, open the Google folder, and let's go to Photos. Over here, you should be able to find your slow motion video. And then if we tap on the screen, we should be able to reveal these options. And over here, you should be able to see this additional timeline with the triangle on left and right side, and dots that are separated with more space than these outside of here. And this is the slow motion section over here. So if I extend it all the way to the left and right, then I should be able to have slow motion applied to the full video. So then I will extend the length of the video. I can of course make it so that only, for example, the ending part of the video is in slow motion, so now it looks like this. And there we go. So this is how we can edit our slow motion video. Besides that, if you need additional tools, then of course we have edit button here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.